Hi there, it's time to learn another trick. This one's called the jumping coin, okay? So first I'm going to perform it and then we'll show you how it's done. So here's how I perform it. I have got a couple of things here. I've got a couple of blocks, I've got a coin. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that that coin magically jumps, okay? Now the cool thing about this is it's like a picture frame, and it's like a picture frame cover. So as you can see, it is completely empty. All right. Now I have another, we used this before in the block trick, right? I have another trick, completely empty, just like this. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to see if I can make that trick, the coin jump from this block to this block. So I'm going to take the empty block, I'm going to put it here on top of the cover, and what I'm going to do normally is I would take that cover and I'd move it way far away. Okay, but I want to leave it on camera so that you can see it. But I would move it way far away so that when this jumps, it jumps a long distance. Okay, so what I've got here is I've got a picture frame and I've got a coin. What I'm going to do, I am going to hand this out and have everybody look at it, make sure it's a regular coin. I'm going to put it inside the picture frame just like that, and you'll see that it completely disappeared. You'll see that it completely disappeared. Oh, I know what it is. We need a magic word. All right, does anybody have a magic word? Let's do, my favorite magic word is bawana iguana. Okay, so once again, I don't want you to think I did anything crazy with the coin. Here's the coin. Very good. I'm going to put it in. All right, and watch closely. Are you ready? Everybody say bawana iguana. 1, 2, 3. Bawana iguana. Wait a second. You guys did it. Give yourself a big hand of applause. Now, the crazy part is that not only does the coin disappear, but no matter how far away I put that, something reappears over here. How did we do that? Pretty good, huh? Okay, so the disappearing, reappearing coin, right? Some disappearing, reappearing tricks have 2 coins, and this one does, all right? 2 coins. You have one that's going to disappear, one that's going to reappear. You don't tell the audience that. This is the trick, right? And I added this part to this trick because I wanted a reappearing, all right? The original trick that comes with the box is just this sliding mechanism, right? This coin box, disappearing, reappearing coin, right? That's how it disappears, reappears. But when you can make it reappear over there, that's pretty good. So the way I set that up is I will have used this this box with the block earlier, all right? And so I might even set this aside, but still visible, all right? But before I set it visible, I load a coin in the lid. So the box is sitting on top of the coin, okay? And I'll show a box, I'll show a coin, and I'll show the frame, okay? Box, coin, and frame. Now I go to the box, and I want to show it empty. I want to prove that it's empty. So I might show it like this. I talk about how we used it before. And trust me, when this fit in here before, people know, that it's empty. When you show them it's empty, they feel like it's empty, right? And I might even take it out and show both of these empty, just like this. But you'll notice how I'm holding this. I'm holding this with my fingers on the coin, right? I mean, if the coin wasn't there, I could hold it like this. I don't even make that statement. I just do it like this. Here it is, empty, empty, empty. Is it empty? It's empty, right? So most people will agree that it's empty. Now here comes the tricky part, in my opinion. When you set the box on, make sure the coin is like in one of the corners. So that when you set the box on, the box will push against the coin. and you can shake it. I didn't do that much in the tutorial, but I like to shake it completely empty. And then I'll go set this down. Now, actually, when I set it down, nothing happens. It'll still stay up against the top. All right, so I shake it, and I'm pushing down as I do it. Shake, and set it down. Now later, I don't guess I can leave that very easily. Later, I'll go back to that, all right? So again, this is just the coin box that we use for the bunny rabbit. Same thing. So I will put the coin in, and I want to show that nothing happens. Remember to keep tilting it back so it doesn't fall out. Nothing happens. Nothing happens. All right? Now what do we do? Now if I move this around and did it from this way, that would make the trick work, right? Because that's what makes it work. But this looks different. And people think, oh, it was that moving it around that caused it to be different, right? That's much more visible because it's a big thing, right? Oops. This is why you have to practice this. Look different, right? So instead of moving this around, you put your fingertip on it and you spin that around. That's all you have to do. Put my fingertip in to hold the coin and spin that around. All right? So I've shown that nothing happens. Shown that nothing happens. Nothing happens, nothing happens. 2 or 3 times. Then I spin it and put that in. And once again, my spin move would be something like this. No coin. See, there's no coin, all right? Now you make sure to clap for this because you didn't clap last time. There we go. Here we go. Spin. Boom. It's a big move. And also notice I'd reach across. Reach across so I can spin it. And it looks exactly the same. All right? So let's do that again. Let's do it the way this trick works. I have a coin. I'm going to put it in the box. We're all going to be having fun. Don't worry. We're all going to be having fun. But you notice the coin just goes in the box, right? Now you, George, you make sure you say magic word, right? Okay, here we go. And then when you do it one more time, it disappears. George, you did a great job. It'd be great to reaffirm that kid, right? That he did a great job. Completely gone. Now, I don't know if you noticed when I was moving it, it did slide. So you just have to be careful not to move it. All right, it takes a little practice not to do that, but no worries. So that's done. You can even put that away. Just set it down. You're done. Because the coin's gone. Now we need some magic over here, right? And it's better, I'd say I move this like way over there. Way over there. You know, and I would stand way over here so that I have to walk over and I say, remember how there wasn't a coin in there? And again, I didn't do this in the beginning, but I love this part. Remember how there wasn't a coin in there? Everybody do me a favor. Everybody say abracadabra. Abracadabra. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. All right. And now you have the coin. If you practice that, you can do it just like this. All right. So it's all set up. I'm holding it like this, right? And all I'm going to do is kind of not push it when it's time. Everybody say abracadabra. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Abracadabra. Oh, wait a minute. Right? Like you would maybe wait till right after they say cadabra and they're done. All right, let's try that. Nothing? Nothing? Okay, everybody say abracadabra. Abracadabra. That was pretty... Oh! See how there was that little hesitation there? That's how... Now it's magic. Now that happened, right? And when you make it disappear from there and disappear from there and reappear over there, it's pretty crazy for a kid's magic set. That's pretty good magic, all right? So it's easy. The script is in the links, the box is in the link, the whole kit, Marvin's Magic Kit. My other books are in the kit. Anyway, have fun with this. It is great fun, but practice all the little nuances to make it stronger and stronger. You know, this is an example of how we magicians make it stronger, right? The fact that I can do this and shake this in the beginning of the trick to show that it's empty. And then I can pick it up at the end of the trick to show that it's empty. And then when the kids say abracadabra, all of a sudden it's not empty. That's pretty darn good. Do you understand what I'm saying? Anyway, have fun with this. Subscribe. I got a lot more coming. Have a great day. Okay, and don't forget, the links to the books, to the Abracadabra books, are below on this video. And also, if you don't have the magic kit yet, there's a link to Marvin's magic kit on the bottom there, where your mom and dad can buy it for you for a birthday or something. All right, have a great day. We'll see you on the next trick.